Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Model Glamour, here to bring you another review on this good Sunday evening. Hopefully I'll upload all these pretty soon before the end of the year. So how y'all been, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here to this channel, if this is your first time landing here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you'll be notified on my next upload, which y'all waiting on. So, how y'all been? So, I'm going to be quick, very quick. I ain't going to hold you here long. So, this little cute little number here, cute, giving up all these curls. I'm here for it. But, surprise, surprise, this is not by Outre. I'm bringing this unit to you from Janet Collection. And this is from the Essentials Collection. This is a lace wig. It's HD transparent lace. The lace already cut off camera. And I added tint spray. And I added some nail eraser. I'll link all of that down in the description box. So, she's hand tied with soft Swiss lace. Pre-plucked hairline. The hairline is nice. And what else? And I have her in the style Jane. And I have her in the color OET 1B/30. There she is right there. Isn't she lovely? Love these curls. That's her on the back. I believe I have another unit similar to this. I believe it's by Outre, but I can't think of what it is right now. But there she is. So, the curls are very soft. She has two combs in the front, comb in the back, as you will see in the intro. Two combs in the front, comb in the back, along with the normal adjustable straps. And she's cute. The only con I have with this, I had a time cutting this lace because they had too much going on. Number one, they had all these long, been here before hair. And ain't no baby about them. They been here before, and it was a whole nother situation. So that's like the only con I have about this. It was just like, all this stuff was in the way, and like the head, it was just a situation. But other than that, she cute. I recommend you get her. She's synthetic, of course. So I'm gonna give you a look right here on the right. This is her on the right. This is her on the left. I had to think which way I was going. Let me throw her all in the back. And that is her all in the back. Yeah. And there she go. So that's all I can say about her. I told you I wasn't gonna keep you here long. So there she go. Let me know what y'all think of her down in the comments. And did I show you the colors? Well, all the colors are down here at the bottom. So check her out. Go online. Look up Janet Collection Essential Style Jane. There she goes, Style Jane. Take a screenshot. There she go. She's cute. She's a keeper. So, thank y'all for y'all continued support. Y'all stay safe. Happy holidays to you. I hope you had a happy holiday, because no telling when this is going to get uploaded. So, anyway, I thank y'all for y'all continued support. And I will see y'all on my next upload. Smooches. Bye-bye.